All right, so welcome everybody. I'm being really loud because in the past videos I've not been energetic at all. So I wanted to come to you with a lot more energy. So I'm introducing myself to you. My name is Nis, and you're in Nisdotexe, the channel. I'm focusing on data science right now, but I can play games and so on and so forth. You're currently in the series where I'm going week by week in my data science journey. So I'm going to explain to you what happened this previous week in my classes. So what happened was I didn't do too well in Excel. Well, that's only because I had to do something for work at the same time I was doing the class exam, which took up a lot of my attention, and it was very, very stressful to have to deal with a major problem at work and having to do the exam. I got a C in the test, midterm test, which I know I could have gotten an A plus with my eyes closed. I was really pissed off, to put it blankly. And yeah, it was really, really disappointing seeing the grade afterwards. But that's on me. Having such stressful, time constraint while doing the exam, and also dealing with the work problem at the same exact time, wasn't wasn't great. So I have to give myself an applause for that, but that doesn't mean anything when you're looking at it objectively. The one class finished. That class was a SQL class. I got a name that one, so I was coasting there. I have a great teacher there, and I actually teach other students in the class as well, just to help them out. And another class I actually need to call my counselor, because I realized that you can provide a portfolio from work, and since I do this like on the daily, I figured I can build up a portfolio and provide it to at least cut down some time on my bachelor's, which is going to greatly help me in money and also time. This the certification of Google actually helps me too, because it applies 12 credits to my bachelor's, and that's great. But I want to cut down on the time even more. If I can apply my work experience and get some more credits like that, it would be great. This past week is full of disappointment, and I'm really pissed off at myself. But considering the circumstances, I feel like I did pretty good. And moving on with the courses, I plan on doing better with Tableau. That's the second half of this Excel class. Well, it was Excel and Tableau for Intro Data Analytics. So let's get the dub. Okay, let's get that A plus in the class. So right now I got a 79 in the class, which is disappointing, which is almost a B, but it's not there. So I got to really anchor down and get myself to what I got to be, where I got to be. So I appreciate you. If you're watching this video and you stayed this long, I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate you returning, because I do see in the analytics that you are returning to the channel to see me and my progress. So I do appreciate you for returning, and I hope that you watch my other videos or recommend things for me to do. If you want, look at the series that I'm doing, or recommend a weekly challenge video, which I'm probably going to do later on this week. So thanks for watching. Always remember, your joy was happiness. Peace out, everybody.